In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Google Chrome from automatically starting on your Windows 11 computer. So it's nice and straightforward. You just need to head over to the Start menu and then search for Settings and click on the Settings window. From the left-hand side, select Accounts, and then scroll all the way down and click on Sign In options. Then scroll down again underneath Additional Settings, and right at the bottom, you should have these three options: Automatically Save My Restartable Apps, Show My Account Details such as my email address, and Use My Sign-In Info automatically. Now you want to make sure all three of these options are turned off like so, and then once you've done that, you can close out of this window. Head over to the Google Chrome application, click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, scroll all the way down and click Settings. From the left hand side, select System, and where it says Continue Running Background Apps when Google Chrome is closed, make sure this option is also turned off. Then you can close out of Google Chrome. Now the last thing you need to do is head back over to the Start menu, search for Settings, and then click on the Settings window. From the left hand side, select Apps, scroll all the way down and click on Startup, and then from here you need to find Google Chrome in this list. If Google Chrome is enabled as a startup app, then it should show down here, and you just need to toggle it off like all these other applications. Now if you don't see Google Chrome inside of here, then it's likely not an application that automatically starts up. And once you've done all this, you can then restart your computer, and that should have fixed any automatically starting issues you were getting. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.